Hello everyone, welcome to the TechBoxer YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to learn about Load Data Mapper. We use Load Data Mapper to create and update Salesforce object data from JSON, XML or custom as an input, and it returns the result as an S object. Here to this Load Data Mapper, it supports JSON, XML or custom data as an input and returns the S object as an output. Here we can use formulas. Formulas are supported. We cannot do delete operation using load data mapper. Only creation and updation of records is possible. Delete action we cannot do using load data mapper. So I will show you the two scenarios using load data mapper. Okay. First we will do the single object creation. Okay. Creation of single object data. Okay. Select the interface type as a load and input type and output type. Input type, the select the input type as a JSON and output type will be the S object. Here we can select the three values JSON, XML and custom. For now we do with the JSON only. Okay, click on the save button, it will be saved. And if you see here, the interface type is a load. Okay, here we have 5 tabs: objects tab, formulas tab. I have already told you, right? Here in the load data mapper, formulas are supported. Here we do the field mapping and options is there, and the preview tab. Okay, to execute the load data mapper. Okay, now I will go to the objects tab to do the object configuration. Here, if you see, we are creating the account object record. Okay, so here select the account as an object. Okay, that's it. Here the object selection is done. Now go to the fields map. Okay, copy this input. Okay, and paste it in the input JSON path. Okay, to do the field mapping easily. Okay, select the industry field, and here in the input JSON path. In the input JSON path drop down, select the input values that will come from the your input. Uh, okay, select the industry. This is a path that we have pasted in the input JSON path. So here in the domain object field, select the object field. Okay, for which field you want to map this path. So I am searching for the industry field. Yeah, it got mapped. And if you see, there are multiple options are there: output data type, default value, is disabled, upset key is required for upset, is lookup. I will tell you what all these are. Okay, industry we have mapped it, industry field. Now select the name, and here also select the name field. Search for the type. Here in the domain object field also search for the type. Next it is phone. Search phone for the domain object field phone, and the last field is number of employees, right? Number of employees. Okay, the field mapping is done. For now we are doing creation of only one object, right? So it is showing one of account. If there are multiple objects, we are doing data creation or data updation, so it is going to show you all the object stats info, all the objects field mappings here. Okay, in a tab format. Okay, now we'll go to the preview tab and I will paste the my input JSON. This is my input JSON of an account record. Okay. Okay, now I click on this execute button. See, the account got created. Simply click on this link, so it will open the account record in a new tab. See, I have for this account name, I have given the brand marker, and the phone number also we got populated. Number of employees and industry. Industry is the media. Number of employees is the 14,668. Correct. And the type as the prospect. See, yeah, account record got created. Right, account record got created. Now we will see multi-object creation. So this is a single object creation. Okay. So here I have selected the account object, and in here I did the field mapping with passing as an input JSON. Okay. Now we will do the multi-object creation. Okay. So here select the object as a. So what records we are creating? We are going to create account record and contact record. Okay, independently. Selecting the account record. Sorry, not the account record. I am selecting the object account object to do offset operation on the account object, right? So I have selected the account object. Now in the second object configuration, I am going to select the contact object. Okay, here there is a add link option is also there. I will tell you about this in the next video. Okay, so I have selected the account object and the contact object because I want to insert account and contact at a DML operation. Okay, now we will go to the fields tab to do the field mapping. See here, here it is showing the one of account means this is a field mapping for the first account object, and if you click on the second of hyphen contact, it will show you the field mapping configuration for the second object. Okay, if you have multiple objects, it is going to show you all the tabs here. Okay, if you click on this all, it is going to show you the all the field mappings of all the objects. Okay, now this is my input JSON. Don't worry, I will give you this JSON in the description of this video. Okay, in the input JSON path, I will paste my uh, input JSON. Okay, so here I will do the field mapping only for the account object. Industry, ACC colon industry to the industry field, and name, ACC colon name, search for the name, account name, number of employees, of employees. Here, search for the domain in the domain field. Search for the phone. Type. Search for the type field in the domain object field drop down. Yeah. Object field mapping is done in the first tab of one of account. Now we need to do the field mapping for the contact object, right? Click on this two of contact tab. Okay. So here we will do the field mapping for the contact object. Okay. Search for the email field. Select the email field in the input JSON part. In the domain object field, search for the email field. Mapping is done both for the email. input JSON path, search for the contact last name. Here it is there. Here in the domain object field, search for the last name because it is a required field for the contact object, right? Yeah. So if you see in the first tab here, all the account field mapping configuration is done here. And if you click on the two of contact, here we have here I did the field mapping configuration for the contact object. If you click on this all, you can see all the field mapping configuration for all the objects. Okay. Now I will go to the preview tab to pass this as a JSON. Okay, so this is the our input data. Now I will click on this execute button to do the to perform a DML operation on both of these records, contact and account. Click on this execute button. See, account and contact and account records got inserted. If the records are not inserted due to some reasons, okay, you will see that in errors section. Okay, click on this contact hyperlink. It is going to open in a new tab of the contact record. See, we given the name as a Kevin Marker and see the email address also, right? And the record is also got created with the name of Kevin Brew. See, with the Kevin Brew and all the fields mapping is all the fields information we have given. It got populated here. Like this, we can create multiple objects using load data mapper. Okay, we can do that. We can link the contact record to this account record using this add link. I will show you I will show you this in next video, and you can create multiple object data using load data mapper. Okay, this is all about this video. In this video, we have learned about how to create single object data and how to create multiple object data using data using load data mapper. Okay, that's all for this video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more videos like this, please do subscribe and like my video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. Keep learning. Thank you, everyone.